Welcome to Tech Logics. In today's video, we're diving into the unboxing and setup process for the Trueview 2MP Smart Indoor Pan and Tilt Wi-Fi Home Security Camera. Whether you're looking to secure your home, shop, or office, this versatile camera has got you covered. We'll walk you through the memory card installation, Wi-Fi configuration, and mobile app setup, ensuring that you're equipped to make the most out of your security system. Once you open your camera package, you'll discover an array of components designed for a seamless setup experience. Inside, you'll find the indoor pan and tilt camera, a mounting plate with screws, a user manual, and a DC power adapter. These tools prioritize ease of installation, making it simple for both novices and seasoned professionals to quickly have a comprehensive surveillance system in place with minimal hassle. A standout feature of the Trueview camera is its impressive night vision capabilities. This pan/tilt smart robot Wi-Fi camera allows for a horizontal rotation of 352 degrees and a vertical rotation of 58 degrees. Equipped with a built-in high-sensitivity microphone and speaker, it supports two-way half-duplex audio, enabling easy communication. Furthermore, intelligent motion tracking means the camera automatically follows any movement, ensuring you never miss a thing. To further enhance your experience, the camera supports a micro SD card up to 256 GB and offers optional cloud storage. Its Wi-Fi connectivity simplifies the configuration process. Simply scan the QR code to begin setup using Bluetooth technology. With features like area motion detection, humanoid detection, and push alarm notifications, the Trueview camera ensures robust security coverage tailored to your needs. Let's walk through the process of inserting your memory card into the Trueview CCTV camera. It's a straightforward task, but it's crucial to follow each step carefully to ensure optimal performance. This will enable your camera to function smoothly, maximizing its potential with minimal complications. First, make sure to power off your camera before proceeding. This important step helps avoid any possible damage to the camera or the memory card during installation. Though it may seem minor, turning off the camera can prevent future problems, ensuring a safe setup. Next, locate the microSD card slot, typically found at the top of the camera. Carefully insert your microSD card, making sure it aligns with the orientation indicated by nearby icons. For best results, use a memory card with a capacity of up to 256 GB, which allows you to record approximately 7 to 10 days of footage, depending on factors such as video quality and recording settings, continuous or motion triggered. If you ever need to remove the memory card, simply press it to release and easily pull it out. Always confirm that the card is securely seated to avoid data loss or recording issues. To begin configuring the mobile app for your Trueview Wi-Fi camera, first ensure that the camera is properly powered using the provided DC power adapter. This is a critical step, as a stable power supply is necessary to ensure the camera operates effectively throughout the setup process. Once connected, allow the camera a few moments to boot up and establish a connection to the network. Once the camera is powered on, listen for an audio prompt that alerts you to configure the network connection. You should hear a message such as, "Please configure the network." This indicates that the camera is ready to connect to your Wi-Fi network, allowing you to proceed with the next steps in the setup process. Following the network configuration prompt, you can move on to adding the camera to the mobile app for full functionality and monitoring.
Please configure the network.
To download and install the Truecloud app, to begin, open the Play Store on your smartphone or tablet. Type Truecloud in the search bar at the top and look for the app developed by Warner India. Ensure you select the correct version. Tap on the app to access its page and hit the Install button. Accept any permissions requested during the process. The app download and installation will then complete automatically, usually within just a few minutes. Once installed, you can open the app by tapping Open, or by finding its icon on your home screen or app drawer. If you already have a Truecloud account, simply enter your registered phone number or email address along with your password to log in. If you're new to Truecloud, select the registration option and choose between email or mobile number registration. Follow the prompts to input your details and finish the registration process smoothly. During registration, you'll receive a verification code via email or SMS. Check your messages for this code and enter it into the app's designated verification field. Create a secure password to finalize setting up your account. For added convenience in future logins, link your email address or mobile number to your account. The app may also ask you to enable location services and Bluetooth, which help with seamless camera connection and operation. When ready to configure your Trueview Wi-Fi camera, keep your phone close to ensure a stable connection during setup. Confirm that the camera is in network connection mode. If it isn't, press and hold the reset button for approximately 5 seconds until you hear a notification sound, signaling that the camera will reboot. It will then say, "Please configure the network," meaning it's prepared for Wi-Fi connection and app pairing. Positioning your phone nearby during this process helps establish a smooth connection. The camera's network mode and proximity are key to a quick, trouble-free setup. Ensure the camera is in the correct mode, and follow the prompts on your device to connect it to your Wi-Fi network. With everything in place, your new security camera will be ready for use in securing your home or office. Note: resetting the camera is only necessary if it is not in network connection mode. If, upon booting, the camera displays the prompt, "Please configure the network," it indicates that the camera is already in the correct mode and ready for connection, so resetting is not required. For demonstration purposes, we performed a reset again to show the process.
Please configure the network.
To add your camera to the Trueview app, tap on Add Device or the plus symbol, then select the option to scan a QR code or initiate Bluetooth pairing mode. Before proceeding, the app will request permissions for location and Bluetooth access. Be sure to grant these permissions to enable the setup process. The app may also display a list of nearby searchable cameras. For this demo, ensure that your location and Bluetooth are enabled on your mobile device to see the camera in the list.
A device to be added has been found. Please click the Add button to add the device.
Since this camera model supports Bluetooth pairing, the app will automatically show the nearest available camera on the list. Select the appropriate camera and tap the Add button.
Please select 2.4G Wi-Fi.
The app will then prompt you to choose your home Wi-Fi network. Make sure to select the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, as the camera only supports this frequency, then enter your Wi-Fi password and tap Next to proceed.
Please confirm the Wi-Fi account password again.
Review your Wi-Fi credentials and if everything looks correct, tap Confirm to finalize the connection. The app will then configure the Wi-Fi settings on the camera, completing the addition process.
Wireless settings, please wait.
The Wi-Fi configuration process usually takes just a few minutes to complete. During this time, the camera connects to your chosen Wi-Fi network and links to the app, ensuring it's ready for operation.
The wireless connection is successful.
Once the setup is successful, you'll hear a voice prompt confirming the wireless connection is successful. This indicates that the camera is now connected to your network and ready for remote monitoring and control through the app. Once the camera is successfully added to the Truecloud app, you'll receive a voice prompt or notification confirming that the setup is complete and the camera is ready for use. While audio recording is disabled by default for privacy reasons, you have the option to enable two-way communication within the app if needed. The app also allows you to customize various settings, including adjusting the date and time, choosing your preferred date format, and assigning a unique name to your camera. You can further set its location to make it easier to identify and manage multiple devices, and access live streaming to monitor your property in real time from anywhere. During the initial setup, the app may prompt you to initialize the memory card installed in the camera, an essential step before recordings can begin. Follow the on-screen instructions to format or activate the card, ensuring it is prepared to store footage without issues. Properly configuring the memory card guarantees smooth recording and playback, enabling you to review past footage when needed. After setting up the Wi-Fi connection and adding the camera to the app, select an appropriate location for installation to ensure optimal coverage. Proper placement is key to effective monitoring, allowing you to capture the desired area clearly. Once the camera is installed, it becomes fully operational, offering live streaming capabilities and remote access on your smartphone or tablet. You can also use the playback feature to review recorded videos, helping you maintain a comprehensive surveillance system that keeps your property secure and well monitored. To verify the status of your memory card, open the camera settings in the Truecloud app and navigate to the record list, then select Storage Settings. If the card appears as uninitialized, tap on Storage Medium again and choose the Initialize button. This process formats the card for recording, and once completed successfully, the status will change to In Use, with the available storage capacity displayed. You can access your recorded footage by switching to the SD card storage view in the app. The camera default is to record motion detection or event-triggered footage, but you have the option to customize the recording mode to better suit your surveillance preferences. To review your recorded videos, simply tap the Playback button within the app and select SD as the storage location. This feature allows you to conveniently watch videos stored on the SD card directly from your mobile device. All these functions are accessible through the Truecloud app, which operates reliably over both mobile data and Wi-Fi networks worldwide. This means you can monitor your property in real time whether you're at home, work, or traveling abroad. For detailed guidance on adjusting settings and exploring more features, be sure to check out other segments of this video series, which provide comprehensive explanations. These tutorials help you maximize the capabilities of your security system, ensuring your surveillance setup is tailored precisely to your needs. If you found this video helpful, we'd greatly appreciate your support. Your likes, shares, and subscriptions motivate us to produce more informative content and continue providing valuable resources to our community. Every bit of support counts, and we're grateful to have you as part of our audience. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and updates.